Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy. Just a quick story for you. I was traveling at the airport. I won't even mention where. I go through security. I'm putting on my shoes and putting everything back together. And I'm just go through and I watch. And I'm seeing there's an older gentleman in a wheelchair. And obviously it's his son pushing the wheelchair. They both slightly looked alike. TSA took something out of his bag. And I saw the red box and I'm like, oh, I know what that is. And so he pulls out a bottle. It's an ivory bottle with a gray cap, Old Spice, aftershave. So he takes the bottle and they're talking back and forth and he's pointing and I know what's going to happen. He takes the bottle in the box and he walks back to some waste receptacle and he throws it in there, tosses it. And so they both were smiling. They came through and I just walked over and I said to the son, I said, I sell shaving supplies for a living. I saw that they tossed your dad's Old Spice. And he's like, yeah. I go, that just makes me sad. It just doesn't seem right. I know rules are rules, regulations, I understand, but that just didn't seem right. And he says, yeah, I know. He goes, my dad's turning 92 today, and I guess he's going backwards now. They took his Old Spice away. He's got to get some more. So I was going to offer to ship him some, but I think we're out of stock. So anyway, no harm done. I'm sure it's only like, under $10 for a bottle of Old Spice. But those rules and regulations, I know they apply to everybody. I just wish, sometimes there could be an exception. And the older gentleman was very, very sweet, very nice, just having a great birthday. So, do you think that's right? They took his Old Spice away? Yes? No? Comment down below. Let me know what you think. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Got to go to ShaveNation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day.